Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the LED light notification around the camera in this device. If you are new in this channel, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more tech videos. So friends, let's get started. To enable the LED light notification around the camera, we need to install one application. I will give the link in the description box. Please check it out. This is the application we need to install always on edge. Now tap on open. Give some permissions. Now also here you can see the notification light around the screen. Now I will show you how to set the notification light only around the camera. You can see at the left corner is the camera in this device. So tap on main settings. So here you can see the required permissions. We need to give all these permissions. So here I am going to give the permissions here. After give all these permissions, tap on save. You can see settings saved successfully. Then go back, tap on lighting settings, tap on enable notch support, then select the option adjust manually. Here you can see the notification light is at the center area. So here you can see the option to select notch type. So here I am going to select the option O. Now here you can see the light is at the left side. So here you can adjust the placement of this notification light. I will show you. You can see. You can adjust the placement. Yeah. If you want to change the thickness of this light, then go up and here you can see the option edge thickness. You can increase this thickness of this light. You can see. Yeah. Then scroll down. If you want to see the notification light around the screen, then select the option around the whole screen. So here I am going to show you how to set the notification light only around the camera. For that, tap on select the option around notch only. Then from here you have to select this style of this notification light. So here I am going to select this option. So from here you have to select the option for the color of this notification light. So here I am going to select the option rainbow. Then scroll down. After that tap on save. Then go back. Tap on app settings. So if you want to see the notification light when you receive a new notification, then select this option and select the option always off or on your screen. Scroll down. If you want to see the notification light while you charging your device, then select this option and select this option also always or for on your screen. Then if you want to see the notification light while you listening a music, then select this option. If you want to see the notification light while you making a call or receiving a call, then select this option. If you want to see the notification light while you plug in your headset, then select this option. If you want to see the notification light after lock your device, then select this option. If you want to see the notification light after unlock your device, then select this option flash after device unlock. After give all these, tap on save at the bottom. Then go to your home page. Now I will show you how it works. When you receive a new notification, then you can see the notification light around your camera. So here I am going to plug in my headphone. Then also you can see the notification light around the camera. You can see the notification light. Okay, now I am going to remove this one. Now I am going to lock this device. Then also you can see the notification light. You can see the notification light is there. When you unlock the device, then also you can see the notification light. So simply in this way you can enable the notification light around the camera in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this one, please like and share and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more updates. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.